Dear student, in today's session, I'm going to discuss another examples on the state model. If the differential equation is given, how to develop the state model? We know that the state model is nothing but developing the state equation and the output equation. Now, what is the state equation? Now, the state equation is nothing but it is a linear combination. So we need to develop the x squared of t is equal to x dash of t r is equal to ax of t plus bu. Now this is the state equation. We need to develop the state equation and also the output equation. Y of t is equal to cx plus bu du. Now the state equation is nothing but the together called writing the state equation and output equation in matrix form together called as the state model of the given system. Now I'm going to show you how to develop the state model, how to develop the state equation and output equation for the given differential equation. The differential equation is given. Now to develop the state model is another example. So now this is the given differential equation. The given differential equation is the equation 1. I need to is a second order. The given this is a second order system. The given system is the given system is the second order system. Second order system. The given system is a second order system. Therefore we need to develop the second order system. Therefore, we need to choose two state variables. The order of the system. Number of state variables in the system depends upon the order of the differential equation. Let x1 and x1 comma x2 be the state variable. Now we need to assume what is the value of x1 and what is the value of x2. We need to assume. Now what is the value of x1? The x1 is equal to, we are going to assume x1 value. The first state variable is equal to output of the system. Now this is equal to first derivative of the output of the system minus first derivative of the output of the system minus 10 into r of t. Here there is a r dash of t that we need to subtract. 10 into r of t we need to write here. The second state variable value is equal to the first derivative output of the output minus 10 into here there is a r dash of t is present, therefore I have written r of t. Here if it is r dash of t, r double dash of t, then we need to write down y dash of t mean 10 into r dash of t, r dash of t. Then we need to write like that. Here double derivative is present, then you need to write down the single derivative of this variable. If it is here single derivative, then we need to subtract. So this value of input is we need to subtract, because when I differentiate this, then automatically get this term. If I differentiate this equation 3, then automatically I should get the 10 into r dash of t. Now differentiate equation 2 with respect to, now what will be the differentiate? Now the differentiate, in order to get the state equation, differentiate, I need to develop the state equation. Therefore the state equation is nothing but the first derivative of the state variable. So therefore the first derivative of the first state variable, in order to get the x1 dot, we need to differentiate. Therefore the differentiate the equation. Now next step for differentiate equation 2 with respect to t. Now, if I differentiate, what will be the value? dx1 by dt. If I differentiate the left hand side, oh, now this can be written as x1 dash or x1 dot. Now, this is equal to what in right hand side? If I differentiate dy by dt, now this can be written as y dash. Now, what is the value of y dash? Now, what is the value of y dash? Y dash is equal to, therefore, x2 plus 10 into r of t. 10 into, if I want to find out the y dash. So now what is the value of y dash value here? From the equation 3, y dash value is equal to y1 dash, y dash is equal to x2. If I take this term left hand side, then this becomes negative, become positive. 10 into r of t. Therefore, what is the value here? I need to write y dash is equal to 0 into, you need to write down 0 into x1, x1 is absent, therefore 1 into x2, 1 into x2 plus 10 into r of t is nothing but the u1 or u, can I take any value? Now this is the first state equation, equation 4. Equation number 4. Now this is equation 4. In order to develop the state equation, now this is the first state equation. Similarly, differentiate the equation 3. Differentiate equation 3 with respect to t. Now this equation we need to differentiate. Now what will be the, if I differentiate this dx2 by dt can be written as similarly x2 dot is equal to, if I differentiate this equation, and right hand side also we need to differentiate. Here y dash is there. Then if I differentiate y double dash of minus 10 into r dash of t. I need to find this value from equation 1. From equation 1, I need to, from equation 1, what is the value of y dash? Need to derive the values of y dash minus y double dash minus 10 into r of t. We need to find out what is the y dash into 10 into r of t. Now, what is the value? Y dash, y double dash minus, if I take it for left hand side, then this r dash of t. Now, if I move this right hand side, this quantity on the right hand side, then what will be the minus y minus 6 into y dash plus 3 into r of t. Now this is the value of this. Now what is going to be the value of minus y is nothing but the minus y. Y is equal to x1 minus 6 into y dash value. Now what is this y dash value? 6 into y dash value. I have assumed the x1 is equal to y dash y, x2 is equal to y dash minus 10 into r of t. Now what is the y dash value? I have assumed this. Therefore, y dash value is equal to x2 plus 10 into r of t. Therefore, I need to substitute here again 6 into x2 plus 10 into r of t. 10 into r of t. 6 into y return plus 3 into r of t. Therefore, now what will be the x2 dash? X2 dash is equal to, now what is the value of x2 dash? X2 dash is equal to, x2 dash is equal to the x2 dash is equal to minus x1, no, minus 6 into x2 minus, so minus into minus, so minus into plus, so minus, so 10 into u, 10 into r of t value, 10 into u minus, so plus, so 3 into u. Now this is equal to minus x1, now minus x2 minus 10 of u minus 7u. Now this is the value. This is the value of that is not a 6 into, now 6 into 10. 6 into 10 means 60u. 60u minus now 57u. Now this is the 57u. Because here there is a 6 minus 6 into minus into minus, so minus into plus, so minus, so therefore 10 into 6, so 60 u plus this 3u. R of t is equal to, is the value of R of t. R of t is equal to, we need to input is equal to input variable in state variable is equal to instead of R of t you are using the u of t, therefore I have written like this. So this is the x2 dash of t. From equation 4 and 5, from equation, this is the equation 5. From equation 4 and 5, by using equation 4 and 5, you can write state equation in matrix form. State equation in matrix form. By using equation, you can write the state equation in matrix form. Therefore, equation 4 is this. Therefore, what is the value of x1 dot? Here left hand side x2 dot. Now this is the vector, column vector. So here 0 into 1, no. Here 0 coefficient is 1, no. 10, no. Now this is equal to 10, no. Here into write down. That's so now this is equal to 0 into x1, no. x2 plus this term I need to write down, no. Therefore 10, no. I need to write down, no. Now the here need to write down the vector form. u1, u2, u3 are write it in this form. No. Now this is the state equation. No. From the equation 5, now what is x2 dot is equal to, now what is the value of this? Is equal to, what is the value? Minus 1, no. Minus 1, no. Minus 6. So minus 1, no. Minus 6. So is equal to 57. Minus 57. Now this is the system matrix. Now this is the A matrix and this is the B matrix. So now this is the state equation. Now this is the state equation of the system. Now by using equation 4 and 5, we can write the, by using equation 4 and 5, we can write the output equation. By using equation, using equation 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Equation 4 and 5, we can write state equation. State equation. State equation in matrix form. By writing the, now this is the way of, now this is in the form of, now this is in the form of which form? Now y is equal to, now this is in the form of star x dash x, capital letter x of x dot of t is equal to ax plus bu. Now this is the bu vector, this is the b vector. Now this is the system matrix, is a vector. Now the writing this in this form is called as a state equation. No. Now similarly we need to write down the output equation. What is the output equation? Output equation, because state model is nothing but writing the output equation and state equation. Output equation and state equation is called as a state model. So output equation is equal to what? Output equation is equal to y is equal to output equation. Y is equal to cx plus du. In this form I should write, but I have assumed y is equal to x1. Therefore, I need to write and y is equal to only one present. So 1 into x1 plus 0 into x2. Now this can be written as 1 into 0 comma 1 comma 0 into x1 x2. Here now this is the way of, because du is absent, because I have assumed x1 is equal to y. I have assumed the state variable is equal to x1. No, therefore y is equal to x1. No, or x1 is equal to y, then y is equal to x1. No, therefore there is no d and u value. That is what I have written. This is the output equation in matrix form. Hence the state model is nothing but the state equation and output in matrix form. The state model is nothing but the writing the state equation and output equation in matrix form is called as the state model of the system. In the next session also I'm going to consider the another differential equation and show you how to write the state model for the given differential equation. Thank you for listening.